Kanya naramdaman ang pagbabago.
Hiniwala ako na nakapagpapagaling siya talaga dahil dun sa wala na akong nararamdaman. Patingnan ko uli. Ala na yung sakit at ala na yung nawala na yung buting maliliit na lang natira.
At naramdaman din niya ang kakaibang init na nagmumula sa mga kamay ni Judge Floro.
Mainit. Mainit yung hipo niya. Pag dinidikit siya, pag kami masakit mainit Pagka dun sa walang sakit, walang init.
Tapos?
Ganun na. Pagka nung dinidikitan niya uli, ala na ako nararamdaman, saka nawala na sakit. Ngayon lang ako nakaengkwento ng ganyan na parang mainit talaga. Hindi ko maipaliwanag kung bakit.
Kumbinsido rin si Aling Paula Evangelista, 72 taong gulang, sa kapangyarihan ng mga kamay ni Judge.
Ang init ng kamay niya, parang manggagaling sa plancha. Ganoon yung mainit-init.
Yung itong init ng kamay ko, unprecedented, unduplicated. Pag nilagay doon sa parte na may medical disorder, mag-iinit siya ng napakainit o hindi masyado mainit, depende sa medical disorder at sa tagal ng medical disorder.
Ikinatwiran din ni Judge Floro na hindi galing sa langis na ipinapahid niya sa kanyang mga palad ang pambihirang init sa kanyang mga palad. Tumutulong lang daw ito para mas mabilis ang pagdaloy ng init sa katawan at kaya lang daw siya gumagamit ng langis ay dahil sa isang pangitain o vision.
Ginamit ko lang yung oil because of the vision. At kahit ngayon, minsan nag-request sa akin, hindi ko nadala yung oil, ginamit ko rin. Nagkaroon ng healing. Kaya lang, hindi kasing init at kasing bilis nung may oil.
Ayon naman kay Father Nonet Legaspi ng Committee of Vision and Phenomenon ng Simbahang Katoliko na sumusuri sa mga kakaibang pangyayari sa ating kapaligiran, hindi imposible na magkaroon ng healing power ang sinumang pagkalooban nito.
I believe in my heart that all of us can be healers. We have that gift of healing. Because ano bang element dun sa healing? It is of course not only the energy period. It is the energy that comes from love in one's heart. No? And coupled with that, of course, is yung ating parang inherited or tawag dito gift, inborn gift of being sensitive and psychically gifted with these healing powers. Kahit sino sa atin, kapag meron ng sakit yung anak mo, ihawakan mo lang siya, dasalan mo siya, and believe in your heart that the person is going to get well and that in the name of Jesus, he is going to get well. Gagaling ang bata
Subalit, nagpaalala din si Father Legaspi na dapat tiyakin kung saan nagmumula ang mga healing power.
We should be careful in identifying right away that it is solely coming from God Himself. Okay? When God uses us as His instrument, siyempre, ang gagamitin niya yung faculties natin. Yung ating sariling psychic human faculties, cognitive faculties. Kaya halimbawa, kakausapin ka ng Panginoon, hindi naman siya mangungusap sa iyo sa lingwaheng hindi mo maintindihan.
Sumulat na si Judge Florentino Floro Jr. kay Cardinal Sin na sana'y kilalanin ng Simbahang Katoliko ang kanyang kakayahang magpagaling sa pamamagitan ng Committee on Vision and Phenomenon na siyang nag-iimbestiga ng mga ganitong klaseng kakaibang pangyayari. Samantala, ang sinasabing milagro ng dumugong ostia sa Tacloban, Leyte, kasama si Connie Season sa aming pagbalik.
Next, the judge finds that having too many talents can give you more trouble than applause. He is not Snow White, but he too has 7 dwarfs. Judge Florentino Floro Jr. claims his Angelos de la Guardia appeared to him for the first time 4 years ago in a vision.
Noong March 1, 1996, nakita ko sila sa napakalino na pangitain o tinatawag na psychic vision na si Luis, si Armand, na hindi raw nila ako babayaan. at tawagin ko lang ang pangalan nila, talagang nandito na sila.
They said they are white dwarfs who practice advanced medicine. 2 years after that vision, Judge Floro discovered that he was bestowed a gift. No, not Solomonic wisdom to help him dispense his duties as a judge at the Malabon Regional Trial Court, but hands that can heal the afflicted.
Baka hindi ko pa siguro masyadong mararamdaman agad niya, pero meron giginhawa kung maramdaman kahit pa paano.
Yung kamay ko, dinadampi ko, pero may ilaw na nagpa-flash o bumubulwak. Pagka lila o violet ang ginamit ng mga elementals, complete and long-lasting ang pagaling.
It is Luis and company, that is the 7 dwarfs, who decide who gets well. Just like Santa, they can see who's been naughty and who's been nice. Judge Floro has healed close to 2,000 people in his makeshift clinic in Malolos.
Parang may hollow blocks dito, yung may dumadagan, masakit yung para kang laging hilo, inaantok, tapos po yung puso ko parang may tumutusok na karayong tagos dito.
After a few minutes, Sylvia vows she feels much better. Lola Looming has given up seeing regular doctors. She suffers from rheumatism and all sorts of body aches from taking care of her grandchildren.
Nagaling. At para ba yung init ng kamay niya natagos hanggang paa, naakyat sa buong katawan. Ganun ang pakiramdam ko. Kaya ngayon ay maluwag na ng katawan ko.
Judge Floro says his method of direct touching, transmitting heat from his hands, can cure anything and has no side effects. However, he is quick to add that he is no witch doctor. For kulam, possession, and the like, you have to go to someone else.
Yung method ko unique, nag-iisa sa buong mundo kasi yung kamay ko, pag pinasok yung init, pumapasok siya sa init ng loob ng katawan. At kung walang sakit, sa surface lang.
Jaime Licauco disagrees. He met Judge Floro once when he was invited with other healers to his office.
There is an extraordinary heat that emanates from his hands, which is also true of other healers. Probably has not understood this, that these powers are not unique, and that everybody has these powers. Once you concentrate on this, you can actually display such powers.
And to some, a judge with psychic powers is just too much. Just a few months after his appointment to Branch 73 of the Malabon Regional Trial Court, Judge Floro was suspended.
Ang bintang sa akin yung psychic phenomena kasi base sa kanilang pag-iimbestiga, ako raw kiniklaim ko raw na number 5 psychic ako sa buong Pilipinas at hindi raw karapat-dapat na isang psychic magdesisyon base sa hula.
Judge Floro is an Ateneo Law graduate. He placed 12th in the bar exams. Just like anyone appointed in the judiciary, he passed a psychiatric exam. He said the complaint against him is the handiwork of his enemies at the Malabon RTC. This prompted a judicial audit by the Supreme Court. The findings: his conduct is unbecoming of a judge. For example, he distributes calling cards bearing the honors he received. A member of the team sent by the Supreme Court to audit him witnessed Judge Floro berating the judiciary and using improper language. The report does not mention anything about his healing.
Meron ako sigurong hindi napagbigyan at meron din naman nainggit sa akin na mga mataas na opisyal dyan sa RTC ng Malabon na hindi ko naman akalain na mainggit.
Judge Floro's critics and the court administrator have refused to comment. Hearings on the case are still ongoing.
Yung message ng healing at saka judge position, isa lang naman, that there is a God.